to become a best retailer saree shop you want to run at your location? Are you thinking to start a printed saree business or not? Where I want to go and purchase? Where I have to buy? Where I have to find out the right manufacturers? Do your thinking and sitting at your place? Hi friends, don't think and sit your place. I came back to you to help you. I'm your friend Rani Subramania, and once again welcome back to all Kesaria family. I hope all are safe and doing great. As I said, if you are taking a plan that thinking that I want to run a business by best retailer shop, but I don't know where to purchase. So here I am there to help you, where you can watch this video, subscribe the channel, and best printed saree shop. You can also start and you can run your business by doing tie-up with Kesaria manufacturers. Today I brought for you printed fancy sarees which starts from 230 rupees to 250 rupees. Highest price if I talk about, it's 800 to 900. But in retail concept, this goes to double margin, triple margin. No doubt on that. So if you're a housewife, you can also start your boutique woman entrepreneur. You can become an independent boutique retailer and best retailer at your location. So subscribe the channel. Easily you can purchase by COD options pan India, and if you are out of India located, we are providing you sea services transports easily. You can just take a WhatsApp and you can place an order. So these collections I brought for you, the exclusive fancy printed sarees. So here are the beautiful varieties. Every fancy designer saree, the color chart of 6 color charts, but I'm going to show you an individual design. Three colors. So if you want to know the 3 more colors also, you can call our executives and you can find out the color charts. The first pattern, which is a silky chiffon fabric. For this summer special, the manufacturers has brought for lightweight fabric, which is very pretty, very beautiful, with the sequence work, with the mirror finishing, with the jerry work of the running fancy blouse, which is 630 meters. And this is beautiful, the fabric, silkina satin chiffon is the code. In this you have a wine color and one is a Rani color, very pretty, very beautiful, and this is a jerry border. You can see jerry handwork. This is a running blouse, and one is dark purple color, and this purple color you can see this is the pattern, and these colors are 3 varieties. If I talk about the next pattern, the digital printed saree, which is digital silk satin lightweight cotton summer special sarees, which is very fancy for the working woman. If you are working in a private sectors, these sarees are very beautiful to wear, easy to carry, easy to walk, easy to go by two-wheeler, easy to go by metro, any transportation you can use. These are very lightweight and comfortable. The saree which I have showed you, digital printed, the bold printed saree, which is a light organza silk based, and this is the running blouse of the georgette, which is a chunky, which is a floral coating which has been done. This is one of the pattern. The code is called digital silk. Next pattern, you can see the English color fabric, the very beautiful dark floral color combination of the floral print which is given here, and this is the wine color. This is also one of the patterns. So in this also you have a beautiful color charts. If I talk about the next saree, which is a lemon yellow color, the combination which is bottle green, again the chunky coated with handwork designer. So this is a fancy, which is a saree top at the piping which is given the green color, bottle green, and the digital silk is the code. I have showed you 3 colors. 3 more colors you can find out by calling our online. If I talk about the next saree, the beautiful printed saree, which is a very pretty. If I talk about this fabric is very demanded, fast moving for summer. Not only summer, 365 days this fabric is all around for the all skin tone. They feel comfortable to carry. Why? Because this is a chiffon based saree, which is a 2-tone shade, very pretty, with the purple color finishing, the lavender shade, and the bottom of the saree you can see the dark purple. And if I talk about the blouse, very beautiful and very unique design, which is the embroidering work of the thread work has been given, silver jerry butta work has been given here. This is the one of the new base saree. If I talk about the saree color charts, I have a peacock green color, which is very pretty and very unique designs, and here you can see the beige color combination, and here is the dark peacock and the piping color, and you can see lightweight fancy tassels being given here. These sarees are very comfortable to carry. Every woman, whether either you are fat or you are slim, every woman will feel comfortable and looks very pretty. So next saree, the color which is coffee brown with light brown shade with the dark maroon shade. I can say here the silver butta with the curving design has been given here. This is the pattern. So in this you have a Ram Leela 2 solo lining which is given here, and this is the pattern. So two-tone shade, three-tone shades you can see here. This also you have a 3 more colors where you can contact our online team and you can directly find out. This sarees which starts from 230 rupees to 250 rupees. Highest price is 800 to 900. But in the retail concept, this goes to double margin and triple margin also, based on the location, based on the metro cities, based on your business module. You can add the margin and you can sell the profit. So friends, if you really like this printed saree fancy collections, go ahead for online shopping. Just take a WhatsApp, talk to your online team, just easily COD options, online advance payments you can purchase. And if you are located out of India, you can plan for boutique and Dubai, Singapore, Malaysia, Sri Lanka, Abu Dhabi and US, Canada. All these countries are having a huge margin and business. If you are located with PR visa, you have a great opportunity. Invest on the clothing store and see a profitable business. So hope if you like this printed saree, you become one of the best retailer shop or best retailer printed saree woman entrepreneur. You can start your boutique with the Kesaria manufacturers. So I end up this video. Let me know in the comment box which city you're watching the video and which kind collections you liked it, and let me know. Keep supporting me. There's a bell icon, just click it, share with your friends, relatives, with everyone. Next video we'll meet up with new more collections. Until then, keep supporting. Take care. Bye bye.